I think maybe 3 years ago. And I was like, dude, I'd like to, you know, like I had a strain already made, run it to an F2, F3, hit them up, and I was like, yo, I want to pay homage. It'd be fucking super dope if I could, like, use your logo and name the strain after you guys. And, fucking all of them were down. You know who wasn't down? Del the Funky Homo Sapien.
Oh, what? Wait. For reals?
Yeah, he was like, no, you nix that. If we don't get paid for it, we don't do it.
What? That's crazy.
I get where he's coming. Kind of stupid, but, you know, it was worth a try. A+, you know, all those guys were down. It was fucking cool.
Yeah.
Even just to see them say, like, oh yeah, we respect what you do, so fucking throw it on there. But Dell runs that whole company.
The name, they faced it.
So yeah. Smart poker in the house. Got a little look at his tent there.
Hey everybody, cheers. Cheers, Smart.
Sure.
What's up?
That's the Amy Ace's tripod over there you're looking at. I just got done cleaning her up. Took some clones, took some leaf matter out. We can get in close here. And,
funny stuff.
Luckily, whatever is in the room right now is at fucking 5 weeks. Hopefully by the time something won't have done too much damage if it reaches those areas.
So let me ask y'all a question. Since you were going to do the dirty with your boys, are you going to do it like old school, sub school, or go in the room and grab that fucker by the stalk, shake him like he stole something, and then you know, try to not inhale as much pollen? Look at it floating in the light.
I was just gonna say, you want to have some breathing protection and shit over your eyes, dude. The last time I did that, where I just went in there and shook the motherfucker, I didn't realize how irritating that is to, like, your eyes, and, like, yeah, it's all, my nose is all stuffed and shit, like, it wasn't good.
Not to mention you started flowering in about 10 days. It was interesting.
My guy's got nuts like fucking crazy. Oh my god.
Dude, I'm telling you,
he's in just in a 3-gallon pot. That fucker's like 3 feet tall, just towering over the ladies. Yeah, just right, it just covered in moss. Just covered in.
I'm gonna record the background comments and I'm gonna overlay it on a porn video one night. Everything's balanced.
Dude, I got a quick story for you. I love the way you said that, because I wish for the same thing too. I think I might have shared this story with the Eagle before. In the town that I live in, there's, I'm not even sure what they do there, but there's a governmental experiment agricultural center, whatever that means, and it's basically just a farm. And I think it was 2 years ago, I just started driving by because I didn't see any cameras. And it was
They're
fucking
watching you on video, so they can't see the C's. They just think you're that angry guy out there.
But it was actually funny to see though, because I don't know what they're testing in their farming or feeding or whatever they're doing. But it was funny you threw out there. But no. You could actually see all the other, like, you know, some sections would be corn, some sections would be lettuce, whatever. But the funny part of it was, like, you know, it'd be about a couple more Mendo Locos, Cookie Puss, which I'm not a big fan of juices.
gear at all. I've never had success with any of his stuff. So I figured I had a few of those seeds left. Just, you know, throw them outside. Whatever happens, happens. Get lucky. And then, the other one I haven't named yet. And that is a Joshua tree and corporate.
That sounds interesting.
That one's, these are the first seeds that I do with cracked. So we'll find out what that does.
Should have brought me extra seeds. I gotta fill up a greenhouse, man.
Dude, you have like 30 of them.
I don't.
Seed order.
Yeah, those packs had like 15 each, at least.
No, they have 20 or something like that almost. Yeah, 15 or 14. 15 or 16.
Yeah, there was, well, when I sent out a pack.
One of them didn't fit all the way in because the seed was too big. So when the cap set broke off, I was like, fuck, I broke the cap off in that bitch. Yeah. I was gonna pop half of those today or yesterday, last night, and I forgot. So I gotta pop half those.
Yeah, if I ever gift a seed pack to somebody or whatever, I just fill up the little jar. And whatever fits is how many you get.
Yeah, one didn't fit all the way and one fit perfect. So with the amount of seeds, that one was like clogged and going, yeah. See difference. You can see the difference in the seeds.
So Thunder Dan, I'll let you guys in on a funny little thing here. Real life, you know, behind the scenes and shit. Do you go, and I'm telling you this because you can actually, it's live. You can't hide it, but if you go back and watch this, you'll be able to see it. When you asked him that question, the way you phrase it, alright, tell us what you got. You know what I mean? Oh, I swear, every other box faded. Yours seemed to expand, and I thought to myself, mushrooms. I thought, fucking, I said that in the beginning. I actually almost fucking mic'd down and went, yeah, I thought I said that. Fucking, it's my birthday. Mushrooms, yes. They're hitting hard. I just got fucking. You can actually like see the like blank on my face, just like, what the fuck? I can't believe
Called out again, bro.
Eagle, how old are you now? Can
I turned 50 today.
No way.
55 old?
Yeah, but, you know, honestly, I put you in the 40s. Doing good, brother.
You look like he's like 1 year older than me, bro. Like, I'm like, yeah, you look like you're 40. What the fuck?
That's why I'm kind of excited about being a grandpa.
What do you, how do you look younger than me?
I got fixed, so there's no chance of that biggest.
You're the fucking man, dude.
Happy birthday, though, dude.
No, I don't even.
That's just what you tell them when you're
My man, happy birthday, Eagle. Happy birthday. Shit, I didn't know that.
It was your birthday, man. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. It is your day to have.
We're gonna sing, or is it okay to
Yeah.
count you?
We have to count to 3 and then we can start singing. So
I have a voice like an angel.
I have it before. We'll hear it then.
Yeah, no, let's just say happy birthday, because if we all sing, then I think the people on YouTube might puke.
Yeah.
We get a copyright strike. We'll get a copyright strike or something like
Happy birthday. And then we all come in as a quartet. You know, this